This is Bob Byrnes, Mayor of the City of Marshall, with this month's update. Today I'm actually at the site of the new Aquatic Center, the Splash Aquatic Center. We're probably in the last few weeks of some of the major construction here. The fencing is going up and the irrigation and landscaping work is being done. We would expect that the sod and seeding will occur perhaps next week. And then after that, then the finishing work on the pool surfacing will be done. That takes several weeks. So they will fill the pools with water. It takes about 500,000 gallons of water to fill, which is almost double what our current aquatic center has. So substantially much larger area here. There's quite a bit of detail work to be done, not only with the finishing up the outside work, but also the cleaning and finishing of the concession area. So there are still several weeks of work that will be done probably throughout the month of July before we talk about the opening. So once again, the work continues. And of course, there's other work that is going on around the city. Most notably, the largest project is the Highway 19 construction project. The general contractor, R&G Construction, and MnDOT really do a nice job with communication every week, giving the updates, what parts of the project are under construction, what intersections are open, which ones are closed. The good news for the community, I think, is that the main intersection at Highway 59 and 19 should be open later this week. They're just finishing up right now with the traffic signals and the lighting and the markings on the pavement, and that should be completed this week. So that will be a welcome opening. The other major intersection that, of course, is very disruptive is the Bruce Street and Highway 19. A lot of storm sewer, sanitary sewer, water work that was done underground. That work is completed now. We would expect that the concrete surfacing will begin next week. And of course, there's closures then between Minnesota Street and Park Avenue, and as that work continues in phases throughout the summer. Later this summer, we will see the North High Street from 4th Street to Justice Park. That will be under construction. Also in August, we would expect that the Legion Field Stormwater Project will begin. That will start with the large water retention pond that will be just north of the Nexus apartment building. So that is the last phase of our flood control stormwater management project. So that would be a welcome project. The Southview Trail from C Street to Southview has been completed, and they are doing the finishing work from that intersection to Highway 59. So then that will be complete. There's the one entrance right now that is closed, going to the Dollar Tree store and the thrift store. So that entrance will be closed. Once that's surfaced and finished, that project will be complete. So that's a really nice connection all the way from Windstar Street by the Aldi store all the way to downtown. So it's really a nice, safe connection. As we kind of wrap up the month of June and look forward to the 4th of July, there's a lot of activities that will be happening in July, most notably with the 4th of July and 250th celebration that will be on the 4th of July. Most of that activity will be at Independence Park. And then throughout the month of July, there's ball tournaments that will be every single weekend in July. So there'll be lots and lots of visitors to the community. So it will be a busy summer. Once again, this is Bob Byrnes, Mayor of the City of Marshall.